Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to complete Form 1065 on TurboTax in 2025. This is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time on this topic. So you know what, let's just jump straight into it. Now, the first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So go ahead and collect your partnership tax returns, as well as any other record supporting your partnership income and expenses. And once you have those documents, just go ahead and log into your TurboTax account. That's on the TurboTax website. Sign into your account with your email address and your password. And once you're signed in, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to complete Form 1065 for. So go ahead and select that. And you're going to choose business and then select partnership as your business type. Now, once you have that done, you're going to enter your total partnership income, including any income from trades or from business. Now, once you have all that done, go ahead and claim your partnership deductions, including any qualified business expenses. That's pretty much it. So once you have that done, just go ahead and complete Schedule K1 to report each partner's share of income, deductions, and credits. Once you have that done, you can go ahead and review your Form 1065 just to make sure that the information you've imputed are all accurate. And if it is, go ahead and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take it from there. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to complete Form 1065 on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will catch you guys in the